Ice cap, the one that's like it has kind of, it's like it has the little flowers in it.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah,
I like those actually. I think they're kind of very delicate.
The bees love those.
I like anything that the bees like.
Yeah, me too.
My name is Jenny Talbot, and I am the founder and owner of Talbots Creative Gardening, based in Cambridge, Massachusetts. It's been almost 30 years since I moved to Cambridge, and it's where I still live today with my husband, who's a scientist and photographer, our two wonderful teenage sons, and our beautiful miniature Australian Shepherd, Rufus. When I'm not gardening, I enjoy playing fiddle with the Boston Scottish Fiddle Orchestra, researching and building family trees for people, and spending time on our farm in Vermont where I was raised. My parents, David and Patty, ran a nursery and were teachers and gardeners. I learned much of what I know about plants by working alongside them every summer through high school, college, and beyond. We also had a number of farm animals, so I learned to milk a cow, hay a field, and grow a lot of our own food. I majored in Italian at Haverford and Bryn Mawr colleges, and I bought a one-way ticket to Florence, Italy in 1992, where I spent 5 years living and working. Even traveling to Italy, my passion for gardening was never far behind me. I was able to find a job at a nursery there, and I also started my own small gardening business with a friend. In 1997, I moved back to the States and landed in Cambridge. I enrolled in Harvard's PhD program in Italian language and literature in 1998, and it was while I was a graduate student there that I started my own gardening business to earn extra money to pay for all those expensive Italian books. My love of gardens followed me into my academic studies as well. At Harvard, I wrote my doctoral thesis entitled The English Landscape Garden in Italy, a Literary, Cultural, and Artistic Debate, and I received my degree in 2006. Although I love teaching, I decided to dedicate myself to full-time gardening, and over the years, with a significant amount of help from my brother and former business partner Dan, the company has grown to well over 100 clients, serviced by a talented and hardworking crew. I love creating and maintaining beautiful gardens, applying organic practices, and all the plant knowledge that I gained growing up. I can still hear my dad's voice telling the customers at our Vermont nursery to water them in well, and my mom's as she shared her knowledge about bulbs, annuals, and herbs. I believe that good garden design depends on a deep knowledge of how plants grow and evolve, and even after all these years, I'm still learning and adapting to new weather patterns as I go. I really enjoy the wonderful relationships I develop with my clients and working with them to understand what they want their gardens to be. If you ask 10 different designers what a garden should look like, you'll probably get 10 completely different answers. This is why it is important to me to listen carefully and work collaboratively with my clients to create the kind of landscape that they will not just like, but love. I am extremely fortunate to have a crew of knowledgeable and passionate people working with me to make these wonderful gardens happen. We love taking on new projects and meeting new people, and we welcome gardens large or small, sunny or shady. We are creative problem solvers who can help you look at your landscape with fresh eyes and come up with a plan to transform and maintain it. So if you are looking for a new perspective and help with your garden, we would love to hear from you.